Unit 1 is done. Unit 2, let's do it. Took me 20 years to get this far. I'm pressing in, man. I'm gonna get fluent in Duolingo. Let's get our 10 XP. Come on, man. This used to be fun when it was like there was like no ads.
Une fille anglaise.
Ooh, say again. Let's try that again.
Une fille anglaise.
Woo! Une fille anglaise. So, an English girl. So, an English girl. Une fille anglaise.
Une fille française.
A little bit loud. Une fille française. Isn't that the same thing? A French girl? Wait, no, not the same thing. I just woke up, man. I'm having my coffee, doing my languages. What?
Oual. Il.
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 Il. I don't know why I don't know why they have these useless things on here.
Es. Es.
Ez. I have no idea what that means and why it's even there.
Non, je suis française.
No, je suis française. It doesn't work when I try to record my voice.
Non, je suis française.
Non, je suis française. No, I am French. Said by a girl, I guess, huh?
Elle parle anglais.
Elle parle anglais. She speaketh English. Alright, moving on.
Il s'appelle Duo.
Il s'appelle Duo. So, his name is Duo. Is that the owl's name or whatever? The green owl guy?
C'est Justine?
C'est Justine? No, il s'appelle Pierre. I don't get to hear it? Come on, man. Complete the sentence. Elle s'appelle Elizabeth et elle est anglaise.
Anglaise.
Anglaise. Elle s'appelle Elizabeth.
Elle s'appelle Marie.
Elle s'appelle Marie. Ok. Elle
s'appelle Marie.
Her name is Mary. Perfecto. Oh, that's Italiano. Or Spanish. How do you say correct? Oh, my brain. I'm only half awake. Oh, I'm sorry if there's a loud ad. There's a built-in compressor on the audio thingy McJiggy that I'm using right now, so it won't be too painful if there's a loud ad. I have the free version. Amazing, 100%. Okay, get ready. Oh, good, I have the mute thing on. Let me just close it. All right. Moving on. Day 1 streak, day 2 streak. We are flying through this course. What is this? Early bird chest. This chest unlocks tonight between 6 and... What is that? I don't care about that. I said no, man. Get out of here. All right, that's it for this. Okay, I'm moving on. How do I go to the next one, man? I want to go to the next one. Holy cow, I pressed it like 20 times. This course is stressing me out. I'm going back to Anki flashcards. Just press the button once and it's done. I don't want to break my iPad this early in the morning. Haven't even finished my coffee yet. Learners that reach a 50-day streak are 9 times more likely to complete their course.
Une fille anglaise.
Une fille anglaise. So, an English girl. Right, moving on.
Sophie est anglaise.
Sophie est anglaise. Sophie is English.
Anglaise.
Sophie est anglaise.
Elle parle anglais.
Elle parle anglais. She speaks anglais. English.
Il.
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 Nicely done.
Aise.
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 Why are these here? Those don't mean anything, man. Ilis means something though. That's 5 in a row. Get out of here, man.
Une femme française.
Une femme française. So a French woman. What the heck?
Une femme française.
Française. Okay. Une femme française. A French woman.
Il s'appelle Duo.
Il s'appelle Duo. His name is Duo. Huh? Il s'appelle Duo. Oh, I didn't put is? Oh, come on, man.
Je m'appelle Gabriel et elle s'appelle Charlotte.
Well, you finally got a normal size.
Je m'appelle Gabriel et elle s'appelle Charlotte.
Je m'appelle Gabriel et elle s'appelle Charlotte. Okay, so his name is Gabriel, her name is Charlotte. Complete the chat. Tu es française, Charlotte? Française! Can't believe they took a heart away, man. I'm not gonna be able to stop thinking about that all day. Tap the matching pairs. Okay, he is il. English is anglais.
Anglais.
Français.
Français.
Elle.
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 Il est anglais.
Il est anglais? I can't do those, man. Stop bugging me with that. I have to uninstall that. What is that? Listening? No, speaking practice? He is French. Il est français.
Français.
Français. You gotta say it like that, right? Let's correct the exercises you missed.
Il s'appelle Duo.
His name is Duo. I know that one, man. His name is Duo. I don't know why. I guess when I pressed the is, it didn't register. Il s'appelle Duo. Alright, see you guys in the next video. Peace out. Au revoir. Au revoir.